So we're building a hub in this Series 88 for Basia today. We're gonna strip the whole inside out. We're gonna paint the inside of the drum brake, also the dust shield. We're also gonna drill out one of the stripped wheel studs, and we're gonna install this replacement, and we're gonna bring it up nice and shiny, repack the bearings. So it's nice to clean the parts first, so you don't have to deal with all the old grease and grime and dust and dirt and whatever's been dished out to this truck over the years. So parts washer, cleaned it up nice. Then I like to grind off with a cut-off wheel, grind off all the access welding spots that's been done over the years to fix all the other ones. This one was already repaired once. Unfortunately, it didn't hold. So we're gonna grind off all the old welds. Then we're gonna drill for this new press-in stud, and we're gonna install it. All right, there we go. Half-inch drill bit. Nice. Okay, so it goes in from this side, doesn't go up through this side. This one needs to be worked out a little more. Next, we'll use a Dremel tool to clean the hole out. Still not quite. Still not quite there. This is the bit that I used to cut at the depression in the back of the hub to accommodate the collar on a replacement stud, since the collar wouldn't allow it to go as deep to match the depth of the original studs. Let's try this. This didn't work. All right. Go. Big hammer, because you rather do smaller amount of hits than tap it in 100 times with a shoe hammer. Oil. Reverse the lug nut. All right. There you go. This is what it looks like in the back, right here. Nice and flush. Those are two other repairs that's been already done on it, and I'm debating on doing something about the two original ones. Maybe just leave them alone for now. But it's gonna suck really bad to do those repairs in the field if ever need arises.